Children, today we are going to learn about phenols. Phenols means these are the organic compound. Organic compound means compound containing carbon and hydrogen. So in phenols, the OH group directly attached to a benzene ring. So the carbon bearing the OH group, it is sp2 hybridized. Now, there are many classifications of phenols. The first one is monohydric phenol. What is monohydric phenol? Monohydric phenols means phenol that is benzene having one OH group. That is called monohydric phenol. This is the phenol. One more example I'll write. This is also monohydric phenol. This is called as 2-methyl-phenol. First carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, sixth carbon. Second carbon having one methyl group. So 2-methyl-phenol. IUPAC name. Common name is orthocresol. One more example I'll write. OHCH3. This is 1, 2, 3. 3-methyl-phenol or metacresol. This is the common name. This is the IUPAC name. This is 4-methyl 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-methyl-phenol or paracresol. These are the monohydric alcohols having one OH. Secondly, dihydric alcohol. Dihydric means having two OH groups. For example, OH, OH. This is 1,2 dihydroxybenzene. Common name is catechol. Another compound OH, another OH in the meta position. This is called as 1,3 dihydroxybenzene. Common name is resorcinol. One more compound I'll write. OH, OH, 1,4 dihydroxybenzene. The common name is quinol. So dihydric means compound having two OH group. Next, third one is trihydric. Consider an example. OH, OH, OH. 1, 2, 3 trihydroxybenzene. Common name is pyrogalal. Another compound 1, 2, 4 trihydroxybenzene, otherwise called as hydroxyquinol. Common name. 1, 3, 5 trihydroxybenzene or fluoroglucinol. Fourth type is substituted phenols. Apart from the OH group, some other substituents. For example, OH near to the OH group, NH2 group. That is near to the OH called ortho group, orthoaminophenol. Or if it is aldehyde means orthohydroxybenzaldehyde, para-hydroxybenzoic acid, or 3, 5 dihydroxytoluene. Common name is arsenol. Such a way the phenols are classified as monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and substituted phenols. Based upon this preparations properties, it is given in the next videos.